What's up, everybody? Welcome right back to another episode of FREeZ TV, Cooking with FREeZ. Today, I told you, deer tenderloin. Last episode was deer fillet. This is deer tenderloin. So, first of all, I wanted to do this because the last episode you guys didn't get to see how I pregame. You guys got to see the butter part. So, we're going to go ahead and stick that butter in there. It'll melt. It'll go down in there. Just as long as it's enough to. And then we take some McCormick garlic powder. Boom. Then we take some Montreal steak seasoning, Grill Mates McCormick. So. Right, and then we're going to open this. Oh, look at that deer blood. Well, that's good. That's some. I love the taste of deer blood. Oh man, you can tell I'm from West Virginia. I just licked my finger, so I'm gonna touch it with this hand. Oh, this is some delicious shit right here. Look at that blood in there. You see that blood? Look at it. Just looks like fruit fucking punch. Yeah. That's that good. And it tastes good too, man. I mean, I'm not some fucking weirdo cannibal. Well, that would be a human, but put that up in there like that. Save the rest of this. Yeah, this is the freaking shit. Knock this up like a damn burrito. Stick it back in my freezer. Hopefully that don't leak up in there. Let me do this. Clean plate, good fate. All right. So, butter and garlic powder in the pan, which is right there. And then Grill Mates McCormick Montreal steak seasoning in the foil. And then we wrap this up. And then you want to pound that seasoning down in the meat and stuff. So in other words, people, you want to beat your meat. Beat your meat. Beat, not to watch. God damn it. Oh, it's a big ass watch. All right, and then boom. We'll let it marinate for an hour. I love the smell of blood. Deer blood. All right, so here in an hour, we will return victorious. And we're back. So this has been marinating. This deer tenderloin has been marinating for an hour. Oh, it's starting to leak too. That's what she said. But so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna take a look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, enough of the weird shit. So we're going to take this, even though I washed my hands, but actually, you know what? We're just going to go ahead and do it like this. First of all, let me turn the stove on and not the oven like I said the last time and had to call myself a fucking dumbass. So, yeah. Stove, oven, microwave over there. Stove, oven. Can't be stupid your whole life, you know. Eventually, you're going to have to wisen up like some wise guys. I am Italian. But, anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and do it like this. Alright. Put that camera on that. I'm going to throw this away. It's going to be some damn good eating right here. It's always good eating. It's always good eating. You're cooking with FREiZ. I'm a bachelor. Now, if you ask me to make, we'll have to let that, you know. But if you ask me, like, oh, how do you make lasagna or spaghetti since you're Italian? Fuck, I don't know. I can make what I can make. That's about it. I can grill the shit out of some burgers and hot dogs and steak and all that. So now at this point, this is what you want to do. You want to get that melted butter down in there. You want that butter gives it extra flavor too. Everything works hand in hand. See that right there? That's gonna have to cook a little bit better. And then you just flip the shit. Oh, see, he has an extra flap on him. So does this little bitch. So does that. Well, fuck all these do. Oh, here comes the sizzling. Alright, I'm gonna have to grab me a knife. Like I said, we clean up later. Then we go ahead. Red, yellow, and green. Red, yellow, and green. Red, yellow, and green. That over there. Oh. Alright, so now this is I'll do it like this. Flip that shit like that. And damn peppers out of the way. The peppers, they add extra flavoring. And they're good to eat too. I like peppers. For those of you who like peppers, you appreciate this. For those of you who don't like peppers, fuck you. Peppers are good. Give it a try. I'm not gay. Well, suck a dick and find out. I shouldn't have said that, but I don't give a fuck. Because this is my goddamn channel. Welcome to FREiZ TV, motherfuckers. Get that seasoning off there like that. Boom. They go for a few seconds. Press it down. Take it off the stove for a little bit. Notice I said stove and not oven this time. And put it back down. Just take the heat, take the stress off of the meat for a little bit. find the shit out of myself. That's some good shit. That is some good fucking shit right there. And then we're gonna turn the stove off. Flip them over. That way you get the extra heat off the pan. You don't necessarily have to have the damn stove on, as long as the pan is still hot. Something is wrong with my damn stove. Look at that. All right. I think we're pretty much done. All right. So now you don't. Let's wait till the sizzling goes down a little bit. Okay. All right. See the blood still coming out? That's the only piece. So we're gonna let that cook for a little bit longer. You gotta watch it. Like when you're cooking deer meat, when you start cooking it, you start to see blood come up. So you want to cook and get that out. I mean, I like the taste of deer blood, but not very many people do. But then again, I'm me. I eat wrappers for breakfast. And now I'm in a damn kitchen cooking. All right, so we're just going to move that around and then boom. All right. Back over here. Yeah. Yeah, all right. So here's the moment of truth. This it's probably fucking hot as shit. What the fuck was that? I don't want a big piece. Actually, I'll let you eat off this fork. I'm gonna try it like this. Oh my! Like I said in the last episode, man, I need some motherfucking deer hunters. We can make a lot of money. Let me get a pepper up in there with that bitch. Those peppers with that, oh my god. That is crazy. And then here's the part where my cameraman tries it out. And he's an honest guy. I told him, I said, yo, I'm not going to hire you if you lie to me. I can say that my shit tastes good, right? But somebody else trying your food when they're being honest, well, let's find out. All right, so here we go. You're gonna try some. The cameraman's gonna try some food again. Some more deer. That's that thing that killed John Wayne. That's that shit, boy.
That's some fine meat.
Yeah, that's that tenderloin right there.
For sure.
Hell yeah, get you a couple more pieces. The rest I'm gonna send you home with for you and your wife.
Oh, no way. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
hell yeah, dude. You record me, shit. If not, I'd have to be recording myself, and it's not gonna come out good.
Mm. Mm.
That is some damn good shit. God, you can't go wrong with
Nah.
deer meat the way I cook it. That Montreal McCormick steak seasoning, man, that does a world of difference. And not only that, but the garlic powder and butter in the pan. That the combination is crazy. It's just you have to know how to marinate and do it right, season it right, and that's why we let it marinate for an hour.
I want to stop eating it. I need another one.
Yeah, go ahead.
No joke.
Yeah, that's some good. Man, I can make a whole damn meal out of that.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, thank you, buddy. That's called friendship and business right there, man. That's how you operate. It's really not that tough. My knife is dull.
I noticed. Yeah, it's definitely not tough.
Move on to a different pepper. Hmm. Man, I tell you what. If I had a choice between this and pussy, sometimes this shit might win, depending on who I'm trying to fuck. The rest of that you can take to your wife.
All right.
It's been another great episode of FREeZ TV. Please don't leave me. No, don't leave me. Don't leave me. So, I feel like I'm forgetting to say something. I'll think about it and say it in the next episode. Whenever we cook 3 different scrambled eggs and 2 different grilled cheese. A lot of things coming up. I ain't talking with my mouth full. But it's been real, and welcome to another episode of FREeZ TV. Keep it funky like the fiends in the crack house, and don't let your meat loaf. Peace. This deer meat, the same meat loaf.